I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 6, page 440, Advanced Functions Nelson, for my subscriber Ellen. Determine the values of sine 2x, cos 2x, and tan 2x given cotangent x is equals to minus 7 over 24 and x is obtuse. Okay, now what we're given here is, let's look into the coordinate plane. Cotangent value is negative. Now cotangent is negative in two quadrants. One is quadrant 2 and the other one is quadrant 4. So in these two quadrants, cotangent is negative, right? So when they say x is obtuse, that means it could be in this particular quadrant or there, right? So it could be either one of those. Okay, so let me just draw a line like this to represent the obtuse angle. Now for some of us, when we say obtuse, we say obtuse, it really means greater than 90 degrees. Okay. Now the angle which is greater than 180 degrees is referred to as reflex angle. So reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees. But anyway, even this angle can be considered as an obtuse angle. That is one thing which I would like to share with you. Since it is greater than 90 degrees, and at times obtuse angle really means it could be any other angle but not less than 90. Right? In that case, to be on the safe side, my recommendation is that you find all these three values in both the quadrants, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so we will consider both the quadrants. That is, we will consider quadrant 2 as well as quadrant 4. The only difference is that, you know, the cast rule, or all are positive in quadrant 1, sine is positive in quadrant 2, tan is positive, or cotangent is positive in quadrant 3, whereas cos is positive in quadrant 4, correct? So that could be a difference. Now, since we are given that cot x is minus 7 over 24, we know we are in these quadrants. So what we will do now is we'll make our triangle and say cot of x. So cot of x, cotangent x, is 7 over 24, right? We'll forget about sine now because sine helped us to find the quadrant. 7 over 24 for cot means that the base adjacent side is 7 and opposite is 24. Let's find this side. The other side has to be 24 square minus 7 square roots, right? So this is, we can calculate this as 7 square plus 24 square root, right? Let's use the calculator to find the answer. So it is square root of 7 square plus 24 square, which gives us 25. So 25 is the hypotenuse for us, right? So we'll write 25 here. Now that helps to find the values for sine, cosine, and all the functions, correct? So basically what we know from here is that sine x, if we are considering quadrant 2, will be 24 over 25. Cos x will be equals to 7 over 25, but with negative sign in quadrant 2. If you are considering quadrant 4, in that case, sin x will be negative 24 over 25, whereas cos x is going to be positive 7 over 25. Correct? We already know cot, and so we can write tan also now. So we have tan x, which is going to be negative in both, which is reciprocal of this, which is minus 24 over 7. Let me write tan x here also. So tan x equals to minus 24 over 7, right? So these are the values which you should be taking for calculating your results, right? Now you know the formulas, right? We can have sine 2x as, 2 sine x cos x, correct? So it's the same formula which is going to be applied both places. 2 times sine x cos x. So when you multiply these two values, you get your answer. 2 times sine x is 24 over 25 times cos x is minus 7 over 25. That gives you the result, correct? Now So I'm not calculating these, but just placing the values, and you know exactly what to do, right? As far as the cos 2x is concerned, you could use any one of those formulas. So could be, you could cos square x, let's use cos square x minus sine square x, correct? So you can substitute the values and find the answer, correct? As far as the tan 2x is concerned, I hope you remember the formula. So you get 2 tan x here and 1 minus tan square x, correct? You know the values. Plug in these values or substitute these values, calculate your answer. So that is how you should be doing this question. I hope that helps, right? So the important thing here is we are not very clear when we say obtuse. Is it only quadrant 2 or it is both? So to be on the safe side, you should do both 2 and 4 or ask your teacher, right? That will help you. Thank you and all the best.